Functions in Excel. These are the pre-written formulas. These are the programs that accept a value and return the results after processing it. Functions are different from formulas. There is a difference between the functions and formulas. Functions accept values, whereas formulas don't. Things we should keep in mind while writing functions. Use an equal to symbol before writing a formula. Write the name of the function. Write the functions within a parenthesis. Use a comma to separate cell addresses. Copying and pasting formulas and functions. The formula can be copied using different methods. Method 1. We can copy the formulas using Edit menu. Click on the cell that has the formula written. Choose the Copy option from the Edit menu. Go to the cell where the formula is to be copied. Choose the Paste option from the Edit menu. Method 2. Using the Formatting toolbar or keyboard shortcuts. The following steps we need to take to copy data through Formatting toolbar. Click on the cell where the formula is written. Click on the Copy button located on the Formatting toolbar or press Ctrl+C. Click on the cell where you want to copy the formula. Click on the Paste button on the Formatting toolbar or press Ctrl+V.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.